Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Phyllis of Jersey Restoration, Decor, and Designs. I am so excited to be a part of this open collaboration that is being hosted by the beautiful Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. She has entitled this collaboration Christmas Winter Lantern Collab. She is asking anyone that would like to be a part of this collaboration to share their beautifully decorated lanterns for Christmas. These are just pictures that I pulled off at Pinterest to kind of give me inspiration and idea. And when I saw this drawing of this lamppost, I remembered that I created a Christmas lamppost, which I'm not really considering to be a part of this collab, but I just wanted to share it with you all. I created this last year. Here it is, not really decorated, but it'll come up showing that it's fully decorated. I got this idea from the beautiful Danielle Walcott of Danielle's Darlings DIY. I will link that video that she created, her version, in the description box below. I've never done a video on how I created mine, but if you're interested in seeing how I put this together, I will be glad to do a video if you would like to just state that in a comment below if you're interested in seeing me put that together. Now these items here, all from the Dollar Tree with the exception of the mirror from Michael's. Putting these together, I didn't do a video, but I'll be glad to do one if you're interested, showing how I created this lantern here, which I am considering to be part of this collaboration. I had so much fun doing this lantern. Now this lantern I also created and made, and I did do a video on this about a month ago. I will put a link in the description box so that you can see how I put this together. So much fun doing it. Well, I'll let you all continue to watch the video, and I want to thank you in advance for watching.
Ho, 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 ho.